Today we will learn how to give stretch effects to a text in Premiere Pro. First, type your text. Go to the Effect Controls panel and unselect the Uniform Scale option. Place the navigator on the first frame and turn on the toggle animation of scale width. Set the value to around 40. Press Shift plus the right arrow key and set the value to around 150. Press Shift plus the right arrow key again and undo the value, and you're done. That's it for today. If you like the video, then subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, GraphiX Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.